Hello, everybody, and welcome to our today's lesson number 7, the verb ser, to be. Every European language, in some or the other way, has their own stepping stone verbs, which will be utilized till the end when we learn all the grammar concepts. And ser is one of those verbs in Spanish, which is the stepping stone verb, and we're going to learn about it today. So are you guys ready? Are you guys wanting to understand why ser is so important despite of being an irregular verb which needs to be memorized? Okay, so let's start to understand the verb ser. Ser is a verb which explains or portrays permanent situations in life. Also, it shows characteristics, origin, nature, identity, profession, etc. Anything which is permanent in someone's life will be related to the verb ser. For example, el sol es caliente. The sun is hot, permanent situation, where we always feel the heat by sun. El estudiante es alto. The student is tall. A permanent situation in someone's life where someone can be tall, short. Tú eres muy inteligente. You are very intelligent. Any characteristic which can be permanent, like your eyes, your hair, your physical appearance, your profession, your house, your nationality, etc. Whatever things are permanent in life will be related to the verb ser. The ser verb is completely irregular, needs to be learned with its meanings so that you can better understand and relate. Before starting our lesson, let's learn the very important concept of all the European languages, that is conjugation. Unlike in English, we use the same action word in all the sentences. The verb remains the same. He speaks Hindi, or we speak Hindi. The speak, the verb, doesn't change in English according to the personal pronoun. Whereas in European languages, speak will change as per the personal pronoun. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. There is always a change in the pattern of the verb conjugation with each and every personal pronoun. And this will help you in the lesson followed to understand the concept of conjugation. So, are you guys prepared to see the verb ser? Let's get started, guys. Let's get started with the conjugation of the verb ser, to be. Before starting with the complete conjugation, let's also understand the concept of personal pronoun in Spanish language. So, yo is I, tú is you. Again, an informal way of conjugation in Spanish is tú, like we do it in Hindi. तू क्या कर रहा है? तू कहाँ जा रहा है? In the same manner, informal way of communication or informal way of conversation in Spanish is with tú. You can do it with your maybe friends, cousins, etc., whomever you are extra friendly with. Él, he, ella, she. You might be wondering that why is there an usted written with él and ella? So, a formal way of communication is usted in Spanish. Why usted is written with él and ella then? So, the conjugation of usted is same as él and ella. That is why we are writing it like this. Hence, él is he, ella is she, usted is a formal you, and their all conjugations are same. There will never be a difference in their conjugations. Let's get moving to nosotros, that is we. Now again, we have as written here as with a slash. Why? It can be nosotros, it can be nosotras. So, a group of male or a group of male and female both can be nosotros, but a group of female can be only nosotras. When a group of females is going together, friends or maybe cousins, anyone will be nosotras. Again, the same concept applies for vosotros and vosotras. Ellos, ustedes. Ellas, ustedes. Ellos and ellas mean they. Again, ustedes is here as a formal way of communication, but with a group of people. So if you're addressing to a crowd for the first time, you will always talk in a formal way. If you're communicating in a business meeting, you will always use the form ustedes. It is a formal way of communication. Or maybe to someone whom you want to give respect, maybe to your mother, father, any elderly person like your grandparents or anyone else in the family who's elderly to you or you want to give respect. And it's a group of people. It'll be always ustedes. I'm sure you might be wondering that why all singulars here, all plurals here. This is to create one liaison between the singular and the plurals. So, I, singular. Nosotros is the plural of I, we. Tú is you. Again, vosotros, you all. It's a way of addressing a group of people maybe who are standing in front of you, or you're excluding yourself and talking to that group of people, you all. So, vosotros. Él, ellos, usted, ustedes. Ella, ellas, usted, ustedes. All are plural. He, they, she, they, all plurals. So, very important to remember this way of conjugating verb so that you don't miss or you don't do a thing wrong while doing a plural or while conjugating the verb, and you don't make mistakes in your conjugation. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Arey, itna nahi bas. Do press the bell icon for not missing any update. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And we are signing off for today. Thank you all for watching, and we will come back with some more and exciting videos on languages. Stay tuned.